Up for sale, I got a 1968 Pontiac Grand Prix, finished in silver with white and black bucket seats, console, 400 motor, 4-speed manual transmission. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 68 Pontiac Grand Prix, 400, Muncie 4-speed. It's an M20. Finished in silver with the black vinyl top, which is probably the best looking vinyl top I've seen, style-wise for sure. White and black interior, it is bucket seats, it is console, hideaway headlights, power steering and power brakes. It's a factory AC car. I got the compressor included with it. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to walk around it, point out things that I do see on it. Rally wheels, your Pontiac Rally wheels with white letter tires. It is 89,000, I would say believed to be, but it definitely is, 89,000 original miles. All original body panels, all original floors, beautiful frame. The trunk has all of its original spatter paint in it, which I love seeing on cars. You know how easily moisture can get in there and bring up surface rust, holes. There's nothing like that. It's all very nice condition. The chrome on the car is excellent. Really, really nice condition. Shines very nicely. Not really any pitting on it. It does have hideaway headlights, like I said. There's 4 little chips on here. I don't know what happened. They've been touched up, and then a couple little marks up on the hood here on this fin. Think if there's anything that jumps out at me. It's got fender skirts in the back, but the vinyl top, let me just jump to that. I love how it doesn't come down to the window. It leaves a little gap, and then also it goes onto the trunk, so when you open the trunk up, I'll show you when I open it, this is on the trunk. I think that's a very cool design. Let me pop the hood for you real quick. So here we go, here's the 400 motor. It has 455 high output heads on it. Edelbrock carb, you see the power steering pump, and it has power brakes, and there's the original trim tag down over there. Nice engine compartment, very factory correct, and nicely finished. Especially all the black. Looks to have a newer radiator in it. And I think there's a couple other new parts on it too, maybe a new water pump. I forgot what the guy told me when I got it. But he did a few new things. It looks like it's definitely got new shocks underneath. And I know that in the last 8 years, it was only driven 1,000 miles. So the guy that had it didn't, you know, take it out too much. So it's definitely in pretty solid shape and has been well maintained. No cracks anywhere on the dash pad. Excellent glass. A little bluish tint to the windows, probably factory. Let's look over this door here. Looks like a little chip right down there. And then I know there's a couple right on this door jamb, and then a little minuscule guy right there. Excellent bucket seats. Excellent rear bench seat too. Really nice door panels all the way around. Again, no cracks on the dash pad. And here you go. Beautiful console with the factory 4-speed in it. M20 Muncie. The dash itself is in excellent condition. The wood grain's beautiful. Pieces of trim are beautiful. 86,240. Definitely Definitely original miles. Again, I can't guarantee it, but being original body, original floors, original trunk paint, you know, that screams low miles on all cars. I can, all right, hop in here. Headliners, pristine. Looks like a little, no holes in the headliner. It is actually in excellent condition though, even the sail panels back there. All the wood grain components on the interior, those are in excellent condition too. Carpet looks brand new. I have a set of carpet mats that actually goes along with it. Pontiac ones. Normally I just take, you know, old stuff and old mats and I toss them, but when I get a nice set, I like to include them. No rust anywhere on the body. The only little bit of rust, which I will show you in the video of the underneath in a second here, it's one tiny little pinhole. I can't even stick my pinky through it, so I'm going to run that now. Going underneath the Grand Prix. Again, nicely painted, really nicely detailed underneath. You got the 10-bolt master exhaust with the chrome tips on it. It's 99% rust-free. There's a tag on here. I was looking at this before. Use only differential, like telling you what kind of gear lube to use, or rear end lube. Kind of cool to see that still on here. We're gonna go up the driver's side. Excellent frame though. Beautiful frame. Front left control arm. Oh, here's the, looks like an aluminum housing in the M20 Muncie 4-speed. It's 99% rust-free under here. One little pinhole I will show you. Look at this beautiful frame right here. I went to the gym the other day. My arms are hurting from holding this up. Right here, a little tiny, where you stick your finger in, that's it though. Other than that, all the floors are in excellent condition. They're all original. There's no patches, no welds in the frame, no holes in the frame. All the frame is excellent, actually. I mean, look at this little triangle. That's perfect. No widening, like from water getting in, a little bit of corrosion. This is a beautiful underneath. You know, like I said, other than that one little pinhole. Yeah. Back to the walk around video. Another thing I love about the Grand Prix is the body design. This line down here that goes down. I think that's a really cool design. All the gaps on the car line up pretty nice. I know trunk fitment's nice, door fitment is nice. Engine hood, or engine compartment, the hood finish I should say, doors are nice. It's got chrome exhaust tips on Flowmaster dual exhaust, which do sound really nice. The car, I know it's kind of a big car, kind of like a Caprice, but it's very, very sporty. Drives really nice actually. Between the 400 with the heads and the 4-speed Muncie. Exhaust sounds great too. I would say back bumper is just about the same as the front. Really nice condition. So I will pop the trunk for you. Let me see, is this it? Trunk compartment is actually gorgeous. The end of the trunk, they did an excellent job on that. I know they skimp on that once in a while, maybe leave original paint, maybe not finish it to the full standards of the other one, but they did a great job with that. Hello? Yes? Spare tire. The jack is behind it. And I believe there's a tire iron. Here's the floor mats that I was mentioning. You got a factory trunk mat. And here's this beautiful, all original. This is all original spatter paint here. This is why I'm saying it definitely is low miles. Moisture would have gotten rid of this. And this is kind of like that factory primer below it coming through. So I mean, it hasn't even surface rusted here. It has original quarters in it on both sides. And again, more of that factory primer underneath there. You know, this trunk's really nice condition. I love finding them like this. I had a 73 Nova that had original paint in it. I just had a Salon, the 75 Salon that had that in it. And I believe I had a 67 Caprice that had that in it. And they were actually all low mile cars. It doesn't take too much to just shoot a can over, you know, rust and gunk. We just see in a lot of cars, you don't know what's underneath it, but for sure in this, you're getting the original pan with the original paint. Trunk close is super easy. Oh, I got the door open. See? Nice and easy. Super straight body. Really straight. I mean, you can't help but get straight bodies when you have the original body panels on it. Even down here, no bubbles at all. Steel. In the video, the underneath, I know you saw the under portion that this all original right there. Super nice fitment with the fender skirts. I know the only unfortunate thing is there's just a couple bubbles right in this section here. The water probably got in at some point in there, bubbled a small bit, but the rest of the top's in excellent condition. There's no other bubbling anywhere. That's just it. And nice here, nice down there. One little tiny chip right there. Another really nice door panel. Yeah, these look like brand new seat covers. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to go ahead, check it out. If you have any interest, let me know. It was a cool GP logo in the front windows. 68 Pontiac Grand Prix, hideaway headlights, silver, black vinyl top, white and black interior, 400 Muncie M20 4-speed, power steering, power brakes. To point out, both dome lights are in working condition here. Let me show you this real quick. There, and right there. So, again, thanks for watching. We're going to fire it up. You can hear it run, and then we'll take it for a ride around the block. You can see it drive. Thank you. All right, here we go. I'm going to fire up to 400 soon, here in a second. Give me the thumbs up.